Hey guys, what's up? I am back with another unboxing video. It's time to unbox the all new Vivo V40e, and guys, and this is a new high-end mid-range phone from Vivo, and this phone is costing around 1 lakh 3KR here in the Pakistan market. So in this price range we have 8 GB of RAM with a 256 GB of internal storage, and this is the green color of the Vivo V40e, and this phone is also manufactured in Pakistan, and also this phone is powered by new MediaTek Dimensity 7300 SoC. So very interesting to see how this new MediaTek SoC will perform in my upcoming speed test. We will see the performance of this SoC. So anyways, let me remove the plastic first. And guys, and this is a 5G smartphone. So let's open this box. Again, we have a black box. So on the top we have our device Vivo V40e in the green color. So now let's start the phone from this wrapper. So you can see, I gotta say, this phone looks absolutely beautiful. Again, we have a green color. On the back we have a glossy finish. The back, it is made up of glass. Actually it feels like a glass actually, and the frame, it is made up of plastic. So on the back we have dual cameras. We have a 50 megapixel OIS main camera, and the camera layout, it is really unique and different. So now let's quickly boot this phone up. We also have a screen protector which is already installed. So let's see what else we get. And other than the phone, as always, we have a silicone case which is a transparent one. Also we have a quick start guide with a warranty card, and below there is our 80-watt super fast charger. So nice to see, we have 80-watt adapter in the box, and this is our USB type C to USB A cable. So lastly we have a SIM injection tool inside the box. So now let's put all these things to the side, and now let's look at the Vivo V40e. So on the bottom we have our speaker, USB-C port, main microphone, as well as our SIM tray. So let's see the SIM tray on this phone. So you can see we don't have any micro SD card support, although you can use only 2 nano SIMs. And this phone also has a IP64 water and dust resistance. We have a rubber gasket as well. On the left hand side we have absolutely nothing. So on the top we have another microphone, I would say. So on the right hand side we have volume up and volume down rocker with the power on a button. So on the back again we have dual cameras. We have a 50 megapixel OIS main camera with 8 megapixel ultra wide. Also we have aura light on the back with the LED flash which is right there. So what I have to say, I am really liking the design language of the Vivo V40e, and this phone also has a 5500 mAh battery size, but still this phone feels really comfortable in the hand, and also this phone feels really premium. So on the front we have 6.7 inch Full HD plus AMOLED which can produce up to 1 billion colors. Also we have 120 Hz refresh rate with the center punch hole, and the bottom chin, even the side bezels, it is really small. Again we have a curved AMOLED display on the front. So now let's quickly set up this phone up and then we will continue. So guys, here is the first boot of the Vivo V40e, and guys, and the first impression about the display quality. Now let's see the max brightness. So the display looks absolutely bright, so which is a really good thing. So here is the notification panel looks like. We also have a gaming mode. Anyways, let me go to the settings. So let's go to the about phone. So this phone is running on Android 14. Also we have Vivo FunTouch OS version 14, Dimensity 7300 SoC, which is a 5G SoC of course. We have 256 GB of internal storage, and out of 233 GB it is available for you guys. Let's go to the battery section. So inside the battery health, we have 100% battery health. We also have this fast charging option inside the settings, and this phone also has some AI features, like if you want to remove any object inside the photo, you can remove that. Let's see the in-display fingerprint scanner. You can see in the fingerprint scanner it works absolutely fast, no issue whatsoever. And let's look at the camera. So this phone has a dual cameras on the back. We have a 50 megapixel main camera on the back which looks like this, and here is your 8 megapixel ultra wide, really wide I would say. Here is the portrait mode. We have 1x as well as a 2x, which is a digital zoom obviously. Here is the night mode, which is also available with the ultra wide lens. And let's see video recording size with the back camera. The back camera maximum shoot only 4K at 30 fps. We also have ultra steady mode with the back camera, although we have OIS. Here's the micro movie mode. In the mode section, we also have slow motion. We also have dual view video mode. We also have pro mode. We also have high resolution mode. So all those things it is available. So let's look at the front facing camera. So this one has a 50 megapixels selfie camera, and always Vivo selfie camera, it is one of the best in this price range. So here's some night mode, and here is the video mode. And the front camera also shoot 4K at 30 fps. We have 0.8x. The front camera is really wide. So the slow motion it is not available with the front facing camera. So now let's talk about the battery size. Again, this phone has a massive 5500 mAh battery size, and combined with the 80 watts super fast charging, and this one should give you at least 1 day of battery life on heavy use without any problem. And I will be testing out the performance of the Dimensity 7300 in my upcoming speed test, so stay tuned for that. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this unboxing and my first impression regarding the Vivo V40e. So do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and follow me on Instagram as well as on X, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.